Which is better for thickening sauces? Cornstarch or corn flour?
Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing which is better for thickening sauces, cornstarch or corn flour. Let's dive right in.
What is cornstarch and corn flour?
First, let's clarify what we mean by cornstarch and corn flour. Cornstarch is a white, powdery substance that is made from the endosperm of corn kernels. On the other hand, corn flour is a fine, yellow powder made from whole corn kernels.
How do they thicken sauces?
Both cornstarch and corn flour have the ability to thicken sauces, but they do so in slightly different ways. Cornstarch is a pure starch and, when mixed with a liquid and heated, the starch granules absorb the liquid and swell, creating a gel-like consistency that thickens the sauce. Corn flour, being made from whole corn kernels, contains both starch and protein. When used as a thickening agent, it works in a similar way to cornstarch but might have a slightly less smooth texture.
Which one is better for thickening sauces?
Now, let's talk about which one is better for thickening sauces. The answer to this question depends on a few factors. 1. The type of sauce. Cornstarch generally works better in clear sauces as it turns translucent when heated, whereas corn flour can make sauces slightly cloudy. If you're making a gravy or sauce that should be clear, cornstarch is the better option. 2. Taste. Cornstarch is virtually tasteless, which means it won't alter the flavor of your sauce. Corn flour, on the other hand, has a subtle corn flavor that can be desirable in some dishes but might not be ideal in others. 3. Texture. As mentioned earlier, cornstarch creates a smoother, more gel-like consistency in sauces compared to corn flour. If you're looking for a velvety, smooth sauce, cornstarch is the way to go. However, if you don't mind a slightly grainier texture, corn flour can work as well. 4. Dietary restrictions. If you're cooking for someone with a gluten sensitivity or intolerance, cornstarch is naturally gluten-free. While corn flour is also typically gluten-free, it's important to check the label for potential cross-contamination if you're serving someone with a gluten sensitivity. In conclusion, both cornstarch and corn flour can be used to thicken sauces, but cornstarch is generally the better option due to its superior clarity, tastelessness, and smooth texture. However, corn flour can still be a good choice in certain situations, especially when a subtle corn flavor is desired or when a slightly grainier texture is not an issue.